Welcome back, everyone, to 2THealth. In today's video, we're going to explore a crucial topic for anyone dealing with the discomfort of gout: the best foods to help manage and reduce the symptoms of this condition. Gout is a form of arthritis caused by too much uric acid building up in the blood. Diet plays a key role in managing uric acid levels and minimizing flare-ups. So, what are the golden foods that gout sufferers should prioritize in their daily diet? Let's find out with 2THealth right now. Leading our list is the humble cherry. Studies have shown that cherries contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help lower uric acid levels in the blood and effectively soothe gout pain. You can eat them fresh, add them to smoothies, or drink pure cherry juice. Try to incorporate cherries into your daily diet. Low-fat dairy products, especially yogurt, can help increase the excretion of uric acid through the kidneys. They are also a good source of protein and calcium for the body. Choose plain low-fat yogurt, skim milk, and low-fat cheese to get the benefits without worrying about purine content. Vegetables are an essential part of a healthy diet for everyone, and gout sufferers are no exception. Most vegetables are low in purines and rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which help support the body's process of eliminating uric acid. Some vegetables like asparagus, mushrooms, and cauliflower have moderate purine content. You can still eat them, but in moderation. Vitamin C has been shown to potentially help lower uric acid levels in the blood. Therefore, adding vitamin C-rich fruits is very important. Add these fruits to your snacks or make juice to drink daily. Whole grains are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. They help maintain stable blood sugar levels and can support the process of eliminating uric acid. Prioritize whole grains over refined grains. And one crucial point not to be overlooked is staying well hydrated. Water helps the kidneys work more effectively at removing uric acid from the body. Try to drink at least 2 to 2.5 liters of water daily, especially plain water. Alongside the foods to include, gout sufferers should also pay close attention to limiting foods high in purines, which can increase uric acid levels and trigger acute gout attacks. Red meat and organ meats, high in purines. Shellfish, shrimp, crab, clams also have high purine content. Sugary drinks, soda, packaged juices can increase uric acid production. Beer and alcohol hinder uric acid excretion. Always consult with your doctor or registered dietitian to create a diet plan best suited for your specific health condition. In summary, building a scientific diet, prioritizing foods like cherries, low-fat yogurt, green vegetables, vitamin C-rich fruits, whole grains, and drinking enough water plays a vital role in managing gout. Remember, diet is just one part of managing gout. You need to follow your doctor's instructions, maintain a healthy lifestyle, and exercise regularly to control the condition effectively. Don't hesitate to share your experiences and questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2THealth so you don't miss our next exciting videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.